We're not talking about it too much.
Minister of Revenue and Disaster Management Kerman Shilla, in response to a question raised by Maringkaning MLA Havingstone Karpran regarding financial assistance to families affected by a fire incident, informed the House that the financial assistance of Rs 1,30,000 each was provided to 2 affected families. He also highlighted that in East Khasi Hills from 2023 to 2024, a total amount of Rs 47,25,000 was released to 31 families affected by calamities and Rs 29,19,900 for 29 cases in 2024 to 2025. Shilla explained that the department disburses funds in accordance with the Sdrf norms, and the government can increase the funding if necessary.
Sir, I have here the number for 2023-24, 31 with the amount of 47,25,000, and 24-25, 29 with the amount of 29,19,900. We from the department, we release the fund as per the Sdrf norms, sir, so we cannot go beyond that. If the government would like to extend the support, and we do have the MLA's fund, so as RWP, so that up to the wisdom of the MLAs, they can do as per.